and it came in a very ratchet condition. My heart just skipped a beat when I opened the box. I could not stop myself from crying. Oh my god, it just covered my mouth. Originally retails for 2400 bucks, but I got it at 720 rupees. I mean, what? Oh my god, did you just hear it? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Falak and I make lifestyle makeup haul videos. Basically anything and everything related to makeup here on this channel. I also do DIYs, review videos, sometimes fashion. But just in case if you resonate with my content, please consider hitting subscribe button, and so that you don't miss the content that I post regularly on here. I'll be very regular from now on. Now today's video is very exciting, as you might have guessed from the title. It is the Nykaa haul, and oh my god, I have 20 or 30 boxes of it approximately, so please consider grabbing a snack while watching this video. It might just get a little long. As you can see, I have many luxe boxes, so I have the affordable as well as the the luxurious products in this video. So I will be going in a series from affordable to the luxurious. So yeah, please consider watching this video till the very end. And I have some amazing makeup, and if makeup interests you, then please consider watching this video. Now enough said, you can follow me on my Instagram as well. My Instagram will be mentioned somewhere on the screen and in the description bar for you all. With that, I just want to put a few disclaimers before even starting the video. First is, this video is in not any way sponsored by Nykaa. I have purchased everything with my own money. Secondly, I love makeup. I'm a makeup artist and that is my profession, and I want makeup, or I use makeup on a regular basis on my clients, on myself as well. So for that reason I buy makeup. I'm in no way endorsing hoarding habits. If you don't want to do that, it's your call. If you want to buy makeup, then also it's your call. You do you, boo. That's completely your choice. But yeah, I just wanted to put the disclaimers out before we even get this video started. Now on a very positive note, let's just get into the video. But we will start from affordable to the luxe category, as I have already mentioned. So yeah, let's start with the first brand, which is ELF. So to start with ELF, the first product that I got from ELF is the matte putty primer in the universal sheer variant. Now I already have their poreless putty primer. I wanted to try this as well, in order to know the difference. My skin is very oily, if you know, so I need everything to mattify my skin. For that reason I've got this. Now this one retailed for 750 bucks, but the offer on ELF was buy one get one free. So the second thing that I got, which was absolutely free, was from ELF again. Obviously it is the 16-hour camo concealer in light beige, I suppose, and it retails for 680 bucks originally. And yeah, so I got these two under that same deal. So this was my first order from ELF, and this one I got completely free. By the way, I have checked all the expiry dates. Nothing is near expiry, so that's a great news. So I got both of these products for merely 750 bucks, which was quite a steal. And yeah, expect a video of me using this versus the poreless putty primer pretty soon. Now since ELF was on great offer, so I had to get other things from ELF as well. I have been using their lipsticks, which is the liquid matte lipstick from ELF, and I really love this shade Blushing Rose. I suppose I already have it. So I wanted to try some other shades. For that reason I bought the Wine Tour. No points for guessing. It is in the wine color. Looks absolutely beautiful on the lips. Now talking about the formula is very comfortable on your lips. It sits very beautifully, it feels very lightweight, and the pigmentation is supreme. Alright, now this one was a steal deal. Why, you ask? Because it originally retails at 800 rupees, but I got it at 680. And on top of it, they had a buy one get one offer, so I got this lipstick, which originally retails for $6.50. I'm sorry, I'm looking down because the prices are written there. I cannot memorize everything, you guys. So this is the Day to Night lipstick duo, the Best Berry. I will be inserting a clip here somewhere on the screen so that you can see how it looks. Now technically, if I have to tell you, I got 3 lipstick at the price of 1. Basically not even the price of 1. I got this further discounted. This one was further discounted, so it is such a good deal that I got on lipsticks from ELF, and I really am excited to use this because I already know this one works so fine for me, but now I have to try this one. And yeah, this was my second purchase from ELF. Now the third set of things that I'm going to be showing you from ELF are not from the Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, but I just got them like 2 or 3 days before the sale just happened. Also, I just included it in this haul because I completely forgot that the sale was about to start, but they had an amazing offer back then as well. So the offer was, if we buy products worth $1,500, we'll get 3 freebies. While I ordered, the third freebie was out of stock, which was the highlighter. But I, ordered 3 things, but I have only one with me because 2 of them I've already gifted to my friends. One was the same lipstick that I showed you in the color Blushing Rose, and the second thing was the hydrating camo concealer that I have gifted. But I made a purchase of this one for myself. This is the monochromatic multi stick in the color Glimmering Guava. It went viral, and the thing about it is that if you are not that sort of a person who likes specks of glitters or some sort of like a glitter in their blush, then you won't like this. Please don't buy it at all. I don't mind it because you can avoid applying the highlighter instead, and you can just apply this one. And if you want to see how it looks on me, please follow me on my Instagram. The details are in the description bar below because I will be using it on myself on my Instagram pretty soon and reviewing it for you all as well. But if you want a review of any of the things that I'm showing you in this haul, you can leave a comment down below. I will do that for you guys. Now in terms of the freebies that I got with it, I got like fun things that I wouldn't purchase myself. I would not buy them myself, or I would not spend my money on them myself. I got them and I enjoy it now. But yeah, the first thing that I got is the ELF Sheer Slick in the shade Grapefruit. It is a very tinted, balmy texture lipstick, but in a very sheer form. This retails for I think 500 originally, yeah, 500, and I got it for free. The second thing which I got is such a beauty. Oh my god, you can it would look so good sitting on the table as well, like on your dressing table, on your vanity. But I obviously would be using it. You can use it in multiple ways. You can use it on your body, you can use it on your face. I'm talking about the Precision Multi Blender Massager. It looks something like this, so pretty. Now the MRP says it's not for sale, so I'm not too sure about the price, but it's such a beauty. Let me just show you. It looks something like this. I'm sorry for the marks on the prints on the brush because I have applied hand cream, and yeah, for that reason I have the marks on it. But yeah, so I was talking about the beauty. Look how beautiful it is, right? So I got this one. I would not spend a penny on this brush otherwise, but yeah, since I got it in a deal and it was free, so I absolutely enjoy it now. The third thing was the highlighter. When I made the order, it didn't show it in my cart, so I talked to the support system and they told me that things which are under the complimentary offers, they will be added to your cart until and unless they are available. So while I made the purchase, it went out of stock. I don't mind it because honestly I haven't heard any good reviews about it, but I don't mind free things, and they don't hurt. So yeah, for that reason I'm like a little upset. But yeah, these are the things that I got from ELF. Now we'll move to second brand very swiftly. The second affordable brand here it is. So the second brand that I'm going to be talking about is one of the most beautiful and affordable brands that we have in the Indian market, and it is such a good quality affordable brand. Every product from them is a banger almost, and I'm talking about Miss Claire. Now you guys might know the hype about Miss Claire, and I know it too as well. So I was searching, I'll tell you a little story. So I was searching for the lipstick options, like I was searching from low to high. So I set the filter on low to high, and the lipstick starting from 50 rupees came on the list, obviously on the offer thing, and I stumbled upon these lipsticks. Now I got only lipsticks from Miss Claire, and I've got them in 5 different shades, all from a single range, and I'm gonna be showing you the lipsticks here. Look at these and tell me they don't scream my name. The color palette right here is my palette, like the palette that I really love. All nudes, browns, and a little bit of wines. Basically got the wines and the maroons for my mother, but otherwise I have, like for myself I've ordered like nudes. I will be actually doing a video about these where I'll be swatching it for you all. I'll be telling you about its qualities. I will be showing you how it looks on my lips. Everything will be doing a little mini review on it in another video, but for now just look at the colors. I got it at a crazy sale. They originally sell at 325 rupees, and I got them for 130 each. 5 lipsticks for just 650 bucks, if I'm doing the calculation correct. Such a good deal from such a good brand. They are affordable, but then they further had the discounts. Now the shades that I have are 17 beige. This one is my absolute favorite. I am keeping this and not giving it to mom. The second one is Blackberry number 1. This is definitely for my mom. She enjoys such colors. Then I have the 26 Mulberry Mauve. This looks something like this. Good thing about it is that the packaging tells you what color lipstick it actually is, which is such a cool idea always. So I got another color, and it is number 2 deep maroon. Looks something like this. It looks more browny on the camera, but it's maroon honestly. And then the last thing or the last shade that I have is 4 brownie. Such a pretty color palette that I just happened to score. So that is all from the brand Miss Claire. I told you I just got 5 lipsticks from them, but they were all worth it. The next thing that I got is from the brand Swiss Beauty. How can we forget that brand, right? So we'll see what we got from Swiss Beauty now. So the things that I got from Swiss Beauty are again one thing, but I got like 3 variants of that. I am basically talking about the Swiss Beauty 3D Studio Effect eyelashes. Now again the same story. I wanted lashes, low to high filter. These popped up, and these are such good quality lashes. I got 3 of them. Obviously all 3 are different variants, but I'll tell you how and why I fell in love with them. They originally retail for like I think 100 bucks, and I got them for 74 rupees each, which is quite a steal, and the quality is so good. I can't even. All right, now these are the blend with black lash, multi-dimensional and natural volume lashes. They come in a very natural to like these very fuller lash variants. Like you may choose them according to your liking, but the ones that I got are Garisa. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing the name right, so please spare me on that. But this one is Gerika or Garisa. I'm not too sure. The second one's Icy, and the third one is, I am pretty sure that I will be butchering its name. It is Mellow, Mallow, or Malloy, I don't know. So I got these 3 variants. They look so beautiful, so full. But if you want some good quality lashes, they are originally also, they are like very affordable, if I may. These are just for 100 bucks for one, as compared to like so many others which retail for like 2000, 3000. The list goes crazy. All right, so if you want some good affordable options in lashes, these are it. And if you are enjoying the video till now, don't forget to like this video and comment down below like what is your favorite item from the whole haul. We will be unboxing the high-end makeup towards the end, so stick by, and I have some good products from Charlotte Tilbury, Dior, which you don't want to miss. So yeah, you cannot skip this video. Please stay till the very end, and all the links will be in the description bar for you all. If you want to access them, just click on them and you may buy anything. And yeah, that's it. So we will talk about the next brand now. This is everything that I got from Swiss Beauty, just 3 lashes. Now we'll move to the next brand. Now the next brand that I'm going to be talking about is PAC. Now this time I got only one product from PAC, which is so unlikely me. I love PAC as a brand and I always order multiple things from PAC, but I ordered my essentials. So the thing that I bought is a repurchase. I'm going to be talking about a brush, so it has to be this one. Now this is the PAC 265 brush. It looks something like this. It is my repurchase. The outer packaging looks something like this and the brush looks something like this. One of the best brushes in terms of face brushes, and it blends your makeup like a dream. It won't give you those brush streaks, which I absolutely hate. And yeah, if you want to order a good foundation brush which gives you that beautiful base without any streaks, then this is it. This is the brush that you have to order. Now in terms of prices, this brush retails for $535 originally, but I got it for $482, which is not that much of a discount, but it's good than like spending like full amount. I mean, at least. Otherwise, if you want to invest in brushes, PAC brushes are really nice. So yeah, that's it from PAC. Now we'll move to the next brand. Now, taking a little break from makeup, I would like to show you what I got in terms of skincare. And I didn't buy a lot of skincare this time because I hauled quite a lot from like different Instagram stores this time. So I didn't buy a lot of things from in terms of skincare, but I got like 3 things, and from the same brand. The brand that we are going to be talking about now is Minimalist. So from Minimalist, I ordered their bestseller skincare kit, and in that kit we have these 3 things. It includes the cleanser, the serum, and the moisturizer. And to break down, the first thing that I got is the Salicylic Plus LHA 2% cleanser. Now it reduces the sebum and prevents breakout. It claims that I have not used this particular product from them. So actually I've not used any of these from their from Minimalist. So I will be trying everything on a daily basis for at least 1 or 2 months, and then we'll be giving you my review. But a lot of there are mixed opinion about this whole kit in general, so I'm not too sure how it will work with me, because skincare is very subjective. It may work for you, it may not work for me, or vice versa. So I'm not too sure. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, you'll know about it. And the second thing that I got is the vitamin C 10% plus AG 1%. So it comes in a combination so that we can use it all together. So the claims that it makes is obviously vitamin C is to reduce the pigmentation, for brightening your face. If there are any sort of hyperpigmentations on your face, it works towards it. It says that for brighter and illuminating skin, it helps in that. And the third thing is the Cepicam 3% and the Oat moisturizer. It says that it is for skin soothing and it'll give light moisturization. And with that, we are coming to the very end of the affordable category. Now the next brand that I'm going to be showing you is NYX. Now NYX is categorized as affordable for some and high end for some, depending on the products that you're buying. I consider it towards a little bit of high end because they are not super affordable. You don't easily get products under 500, a lot of them in NYX, but yeah, it is not categorized as the luxury brand either. So I will be leaving it to you guys, like if you want to consider it in the affordable or if you want to consider it in the high end category, that is on you. But the next thing that I'm going to be showing you are bomb things, so just hold on tight and let's see. From NYX I've bought lipsticks. I know I have bought a lot of lipsticks in this haul, but I have a thing for lipsticks nowadays, and I know this is kind of hoarding, but I have actually eliminated quite a lot of lipsticks from my collection which went bad. So for that reason I am building my collection again, and I wanted to try this particular formula because I have nothing when it comes to this formula. So I'm talking about the NYX Professional Powder Puff Lippies. Now when it launched in India, it was of great hype, like everybody was raving about it, talking about it. I'm not talking about the opinions of the people, like if they liked it or not, but definitely people were talking about it. So I bought it for myself because I got sold on 3 parameters. The colors has to be the first. Second was the applicator. Oh my god, it is such a unique lipstick with a different kind of applicator. And third was how, it is very unconventional for a lipstick to be of this consistency, powder puff, and a powdery texture. So I just wanted to try the formula. For that reason I bought these lipsticks. Now in terms of color, I've got like 2 same lipsticks in the color Cool Intentions, one for gifting purpose and one for myself. The second one is Moody, or the third one is Moody, and the last one is a Teenage Dream. So I got 4 lipsticks. Now in terms of prices, the prices of each one is different. Originally every lipstick is for $650 out of this collection, but Cool Intentions I got for $455, the Moody lipstick I got for $488, and the Teenage Dream I got for $325. They look so beautiful. They look like this. I won't be swatching them for you all because I want to shoot a video with my first impressions, and I have never tried these. I want to try it for myself and see if it works for me. Very much sold on how it looks from the outside, and the powder formula also, how it has a unique applicator. So expect a review pretty soon on these lipsticks. So these are my next purchases from NYX. Now with that, I have completed all the affordable makeup, which brings me to the high-end makeup or the luxurious makeup or the luxe makeup category. Now I'll be showing you products from different brands, and please, I am in no way bragging, or the prices may seem a little steep to some people, but I saved up a lot of money and bought everything towards the end of the season because I saved up for it, right? So please don't consider it bragging, or I use a lot of it on myself and my clients. So yeah, another disclaimer in between the video, but it's gonna be amazing, and the prices that I've got them at, they will blow your mind. So just wait for the first item or the first category or the first brand from the luxe makeup. We'll see. So moving to the high-end category, the first brand that I got is Huda Beauty, of course. Now I don't know why Nykaa has stopped sending Huda Beauty in the black box, which is the luxe box. I'll show you, wait. I'm talking about these boxes. They don't send Huda Beauty in these boxes anymore, but for me, if I'm spending that money, it's luxury, bitch. So yeah, I got 3 products from Huda Beauty this season, and I think I got 3, right? Let's just see. And I will be showing you, but the deals were crazy. If I say crazy, they were the best deals, and nothing could beat it. Nothing came even close. When I think when I added it to the cart, it was already gone. I'm talking about the first palette from Huda Beauty. It is the Pastels palette from Huda Beauty. Now I got this palette and it is the mint palette, which I originally did not want. I wanted the lilac, but as I've told you, when I added it to my cart, it went it was gone. It was gone in seconds. It was gone basically because of the price drop. Now if I tell you there was a price drop there was a price drop, right? The original price of this particular palette is 2400 rupees, and what I got it for will blow your mind. I just got it for 720 rupees. Like, can you beat it? I got this beautiful palette which comes with a beautiful big mirror, and look at the colors. Oh my god, it can make anybody who's sad happy instantly, like at least for me it did. And please don't worry about the expiry dates and everything. I have checked them, it is nowhere close to expiry. So yeah, that's such a great deal that I got. I mean, all of you must agree with me, right? You cannot get this palette for this price. I am very much sure, like very, very, very sure. So yeah, this is the first purchase from Huda Beauty which I absolutely love. So the next thing that I got from Huda Beauty is another palette. Now this time it's a big palette and not the mini palette. The palette that I got is the Naughty Nude. Now I waited for this palette to be discounted, and I didn't buy it when it was originally launched on Nykaa, when it was first launched on Nykaa instead. And look at the beauty of this palette. Now the outer packaging looks like this, the usual plastic packaging, and the palette looks like this. But are you ready to look at the colors? I'm sure you might have already seen this palette multiple times because of how pretty it is, and now people are going crazy and buying this left, right and center. And I also made a move and bought this. Look at the palette, like look at how gorgeous this palette is. Now tell me, like, these kind of colors don't make you happy? It does, right? And I'm sorry for the background noise, the trains passing, but the colors, oh my god. Can we just take a moment and see, like, what is this art? Like, what is this art? And look at the color, like look at this particular shade. It is that balmy texture with something like some sort of like pigment balls if I may inside of it. But yeah, I'm very, very excited to use this. Not swatched it even because I wanted to show you all. I know how I resisted myself and waited to shoot this video so that I can show you everything all neat and clean. It comes with a big mirror like this. Very beautiful palette, and at an attractive price. The price that I got it is very much discounted, but it was discounted more, all right, for a limited period, and I didn't know about that offer. And the offer was for, I think, 1 hour, and a lot of people actually bought the palette at that price, which was unbelievable. But I got it for, all right, I'll tell you for what I got this palette. It originally retails for 5375, which is 5375 rupees, but I got it for 3225 rupees, which is also a great deal, right? But there was this discount going on for like 1 hour, which I was unaware of, and I regret it so much. I think it was sold for 2800 or 2600. I'm not too sure about the price, but it was in 2000s. So yeah, everybody who got at that price, you did a great job. All right, you must apply for some detective sort of like services, because you guys knew when it was the right time to buy this palette. All right, and it requires some detective skills. So yeah, kudos to you, and I clap for you all. You guys got a banger at a great deal. So the next thing that I got from Huda Beauty is actually not from the sale. Again, I got it like 3 days before the sale actually started. I received it 3 days before the sale started, and I am talking about the Huda Beauty resting boss face. This is their, obviously, the setting mist or the setting spray. Now when I got this originally, like for the first time when I got this replaced, right? I'm talking about the product that I got before replacement. It came in a very ratchet condition. I'll insert a picture here, you will see. All right, my heart just skipped a beat when I opened the box and I saw that. I could not stop myself from crying.
Because and what happened now was, when I opened the box, everything, like the packaging was like distorted, like the bottle was very I don't know, you can see in the pictures, right?
It was in a bad condition, and the thing was with it was, I placed a replacement, it got rejected, and finally it got accepted. It was such a headache, but it finally got replaced, and I'm happy about it. So it was also at an offer when I bought this, and the offer which I got it at was, it originally retails for 2700 bucks, but I got it for 2300 bucks. And when I saw the deal on the Nika's Pink Friday sale, it wasn't at any discount, which means I bagged another deal. Like, it was a great deal that I got it at, and I am absolutely in love with my skills of finding good deals. So yeah, this is another thing that I got from Huda Beauty. And with that, I got the most useless complimentary gift ever. Do you want to see what I got? Wait, I'll show you. So with both the palettes, the Naughty Nude and the Pastels Mini, I got the deal, and the complimentary gift was this. This is the 4Filter luminous matte, the samples or the sachets, whatever it is called. I got these, and I have so many of these, right? I like because I buy makeup from Sephora, and you get all these samples, and I haven't even used one of these samples ever. Oh, by the way, I am hosting a blog sale on my Instagram, so if you're interested, you can see for yourself. Like, if you want the products, it will be at a very discounted rate. For example, if the product is for 1000, I'll be selling it for like 500 or 600, or like probably 4. Just follow me on my Instagram and get good deals. Now the makeup from the next high-end brand that I bought is from the brand Lime Crime. Again, I bought lipsticks, but I can tell you why I bought these lipsticks. I can prove my point here, because these originally retail for 1900 bucks and I got them for 950. I'm talking about the Lime Crime Velveteens. They look something like this. The outer packaging is so beautiful. Like, oh my god, it just is so beautiful. The original price, as I've told you, is 1900, but I got it at 950. Like, who will say no to this offer? Just tell me. Now the shades that I got are like beautiful shades. I'll open it for you guys and will show you. Now I got two of the best sellers. One is Teddy Bear and one is Buffy. I'm not too sure if you can see it from here, but the colors, oh my god, they look like this. Now this one is a nude color with sort of pink undertone, and this one is more like a nude with a touch of brown to it. So I really enjoy such kind of colors. You'll see me wearing this a lot because I absolutely love the formula. Very lightweight. Yeah, I mean, these are my first purchases from Lime Crime. Very lightweight and very pigmented. So I think I should not be saying anything more about these lipsticks, because you guys also know that how much how good of a deal that I've scored and how good these lipsticks are. I'm sure you might have heard from many other YouTubers. I will be trying it on myself. I have not swatched it on my lips. I have just swatched it on my hands. So I will be showing you how it looks on myself on my Instagram too. So keep an eye on the posts there. Yeah, so these are the next two lipsticks that I got from Lime Crime, worth 950 rupees, originally priced at 1900 bucks. Now the next brand that I'm going to be talking about is little on the steeper side. Like they are expensive. The makeup is bomb.com. The makeup is high quality, luxurious, has a rich feel to it, everything like classy, very sophisticated, everything, that kind of vibe it just reflects. It's a little steep, I'm again saying it, but I really wanted these things. That's why I bought them. We are coming towards the end of this haul, so that's why I just wanted to keep these pieces towards the very end, so that we ended on a very sweeter note. The next brand that I'm going to be talking about is Charlotte Tilbury, and Charlotte Tilbury means luxury. They are synonyms to each other, luxury and Charlotte Tilbury. So the very first thing that I bought from Charlotte Tilbury, this Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It's the viral setting spray on YouTube and on Instagram. The people are going crazy. It is a viral setting spray. So it says that party all night, stay all day setting spray. It looks like this. Now I bought the mini size because look, we are talking about Charlotte Tilbury and it's expensive, alright? Ain't nobody got so much money to spend on like full products. But yeah. Now, if we talk about the price of this originally retails for 750 rupees, but I got this for 1575, like this much, and it is, I think, how many ml? Like it is 34 mils, so 34 ml in a bottle for 1575 bucks, originally priced at 750. But yeah, I got this one and love it. Love it. Now the next thing that I got from Charlotte Tilbury is, however, the full size product, and I'm talking about the Cheek to Chic Swiss and Pop blushers in the color Ecstasy. This is the second thing that I got from Charlotte Tilbury. Very luxurious. Like, look at the packaging, very luxurious, screams luxury to me. And look at the color, oh my god. If we talk about the price, it originally retails for 3850, but I got it for 3080 rupees, which is quite a deal. I mean, you getting products at this discount, that too from Charlotte Tilbury, is very rare. So I backed this one. I wanted the airbrush, the compact as well, but then that was out of stock. My shade was out of stock, so I settled for this one and I absolutely love it. Now we talk about the third thing, and there was an offer going on. If we purchased goods worth rupees 6,000 and above, we will get a freebie with it, which I will be talking about in a bit. Obviously my total went a little over 6,000 bucks, so I got the freebie, so I'll talk about it. Next thing that I got is from the the Pillow Talk range, and I'm talking about the classic, the hit, the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat, and it is the liner, the Reshape and Resize lip liner. The color on it is so pretty. This lip liner is amazing. Like, if you are and if you can afford, like, I will definitely would recommend you to buy this color for yourself. If you are a little bit duskier, then you can go for Pillow Talk medium, but if you have a lighter skin tone, then you can definitely buy this one for yourself. You can use it as a lipstick too, like, fill in your lips just with this and you're good to go. But the color, oh my god, I cannot even. The color is so pretty. Obviously you can find dupes of it in the affordable variants as well, but I wanted to try this. People have talked about this in the must-haves from Charlotte Tilbury, so I wanted this and I got this one. Now the price of this one originally is 2200 rupees and I got it for 1980 bucks. So yeah, now as I told you, the total exceeded 6,000 bucks, so I got the Lip Luster, the Luxe Color Rich Lip Lacquer, free, absolutely free, which originally retails for like what, 2,000 bucks, and I got this one completely free. It's like a gloss, like a pigmented gloss, and very beautiful colors. Looks very pretty on top of any lipstick that you apply. So yeah, I got this one as a freebie. Who minds a freebie from Charlotte Tilbury? At least I don't, and I absolutely love it. The applicator is also very good. So this is the freebie that I got, and yeah, this is the last thing that I got from Charlotte Tilbury. Now it brings me to the very end of the video. Now I have this product, which is in all means a grand finale. I kept the best for the last because I wanted to end the video on a sweeter note, and the product that I'm going to be talking about is from Dior. Now you know Dior is expensive. Dior makeup, Dior everything is very expensive, but worth it. I wanted to try this for myself, and I'm talking about the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. I wanted, as I told you, I wanted to keep it towards the very end because it's a grand finale product, you guys. And the shade, oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't even, like, I can't even unbox it without a smile on my face. It's that great of a product. Now it is the Glow Face palette, and in the variant 001 universal. So it is good for every skin color. Now I would use these two as a highlighter for myself. These can be used as a highlighter. This can be used as a blush topper or a blush. Like I told you, I can avoid using a highlighter instead and can use something like this for my blush. Even I don't mind that. I really enjoy playing with makeup. So yeah, for that reason I got this. Now this shade can be used as a bronzer. Like if you like having a bronzer with some sort of like glitter specks, you can use it. I definitely don't enjoy that thing, but can be used on duskier clients that I have, and also can be used as a pigment or the topper, like an eyeshadow topper. So it is such a great palette. It says Dior, have a clear packaging. You can see the product from outside. Love it so much. It is again in the shade 001 universal. As I've told you, it comes in different variants, but I got this. Now this one I didn't get in the Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. I got it like a few days before the sale started, and it is originally priced at 4,300 bucks, and I got it at that price. But the good thing is it wasn't discounted on the sale as well. Like obviously it included a complimentary gift, which was a 5 mils of the Dior perfume. I forgot which perfume was it, but with it it was a complimentary gift of a 5 mils perfume, which I feel sad about. Like I didn't get that perfume as a freebie, which is okay. I don't mind it. But yeah, absolutely love this palette. Now you'll see me using this palette a lot in all my videos for sure, that I can guarantee. And I am gonna be like making a full use of my money and my purchase from it. And yeah, with that, it is everything that I bought. I bought these candles as well from Bath and Body Works, but I bought them later. I bought them later, which I'm planning to not include in this video but make another video. So after this I'm gonna be recording this video, so yeah, keep an eye on that as well. But with that I complete my whole haul. I know it is quite a long video, but everything that I showed you was worth showing, right? I showed you quite a lot of like affordable options, and then we moved to like the not so affordable but not so high-end options as well. Then we explored the high-end category of makeup too. So everything was included in this, plus the skincare, and lashes, brushes, everything was included. I cannot tell you how happy it makes me to film this video because it includes makeup. Now having said that, if you like this video, then please consider liking it and commenting down below. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you don't miss the beautiful videos that I'll be posting after this one too. And yeah, my Instagram details are mentioned in the description bar and here as well. All the links to the things that I've bought will be mentioned in the description bar for you all. For your ease, you can click on them and can make a purchase if you want. And yeah, that is it for the video. Signing off now. I have spoke so much, my mouth is all dry. I want some water in my system. All right, I just want to conclude by saying that you are beautiful. Do not change yourself for anybody. Take care of yourself. Until next time, bye.